This 2023 Keystone Passport 221BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 26 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, oven, smoke detector, external shower, air conditioning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, LP detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Passport 221BH is 5,219 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.